Welcome to our channel where we discuss everything related to investing and finance. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most powerful concepts in finance: compound interest. Compound interest is an essential part of growing wealth, and understanding how it works can help you make smarter investment decisions. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest earned on the initial principal, as well as on the accumulated interest of the previous periods. In other words, you earn interest not only on your original investment, but also on the interest that your investment has already earned. How does compound interest work? Let's say you invest $10,000 today with a 5% annual interest rate. After 1 year, you would earn $500 in interest. With compound interest, that $500 is added to your principal, and you would earn interest on $10,500 in the second year, not just on the original $10,000. After 2 years, your investment would have grown to $11,025. This compounding effect continues year after year, and over time, your investment can grow exponentially. The key to making compound interest work for you is time. The longer you leave your investment to grow, the more powerful the effects of compound interest become. In fact, the longer your investment grows, the more it starts to take on a life of its own. The longer you wait, the more your money works for you. To understand the power of time and compound interest, let's talk about the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a quick and easy way to estimate how long it will take for your investment to double in value. All you have to do is divide 72 by the interest rate you're earning. For example, if you're earning a 6% return, it will take approximately 12 years for your investment to double. Compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you grow your investments over time. Here are some examples of where you can begin to invest and grow your fund through the power of compound interest. High-yield savings accounts. Many banks and credit unions offer savings accounts that pay interest on your deposits. Look for accounts that offer a competitive interest rate and compound the interest daily or monthly. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs are a type of savings account that require you to leave your money deposited for a set period of time, usually ranging from a few months to several years. CDs typically offer higher interest rates than savings accounts, and the interest is compounded over the life of the CD. Stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks and bonds can also provide compound interest, although the returns are not guaranteed. Over time, the interest and dividends earned from these investments can compound and grow your wealth. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are professionally managed investment portfolios that pool money from multiple investors. Many mutual funds invest in stocks and bonds, which can provide compound interest over time. Real estate. Investing in real estate can also provide compound interest, particularly if you purchase a property and rent it out. Rental income can be reinvested in the property or used to purchase additional properties, which can lead to significant long-term growth. By understanding how it works and making smart investment decisions, you can take advantage of the power of time and see your wealth grow exponentially. Remember, the key is to start early, be patient, and let your money work for you. Finally, it is important to do your research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more investing and finance tips.